Problem number 3. A square prism of side 40 millimeter and axis side 65 millimeter, right, resting on HP with all its edges are equally inclined, means it is inclined at an angle of 45 degree, and it is cut by an inclined plane 60 degree. This is a 60 degree inclined plane perpendicular to VP, passing through the point on the axis at a distance of 15 mm from the top face, and draw the development. So we'll draw this 40 millimeter side. Now we'll write name AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, OO1. Here axis is overlapped by OB edge or O1 B1 edge. Axis BB1 edge is overlapping OO1 edge. Because of that, axis is not visible here. Now we'll draw the arrow marks. One side is 40 mm. This bottom face is called as A1, B1, C1, D1. Top face is called as ABCD. Now A1, A1 dash, B1 dash, D1 dash. B1 is visible. B1 is visible, but D1 is not visible. And then right, next C1 dash and also O1 dash here. This is O dash, A dash, same, C dash, B dash, D dash. The same A1, B1 you have to write, others also write. Now we'll draw the cut section. What is the cut section? Height is 65 millimeter from top face 15 millimeter on the axis at a distance of 15 mm. Right, we'll take 15 millimeter on the axis. On all three we'll make mark. And we'll draw a line. Right, the distance is 15 millimeter from the top face. This is called as top face. This is bottom face. From top face 15 mm is there, and it is on the axis, and you have to take 60 degree from this point. From this point you have to take 60 millimeter, 60 degrees. Right. $60 I will take, and then we'll draw a line where passing through the axis point from this point, 60 degree line. Right. Now make it dash line. Right, make it dash line. And outside the prism, just make it dark. This part you have to make it dark, only this part. And other than that, now we'll make prism dark, which is to be made dark, is below part, not other part. That is a cut section which will be removed from the prism. Now the part which I am making dark is remaining, that you have to make a development. Right. The dark part, this is the dark part where you have to make a development. Now we'll go for numbering. For numbering, what is the procedure now for numbering? You have to follow. Right. You have to follow first AA1, then A to B, A1 B1, then B B1, B to C or B1 C1, then C C1, then C to D or C1 to D1, then D D1, then D D1 to D1 to A1 or D to A. This is how you have to follow the procedure. Now AA1 I am going. There is a cut on AA1, so I will mark 1 on AA1. Will write here also. Then after AA1, move for A1 to B1 or A to B. A to B, A1 to B1 or A to B. A to B there is no cut. A1 B1 also there is no cut. Leave it. Then go for B B1 on B B1. Here it is a B B1. There is a cut on B B1, so we'll make it second point on B B1. Then go for B1 to C1. B1 to C1 there is no cut. Leave it. B to C. B to C there is a cut, so we'll make it 3, and we'll draw a line parallel to this. We'll draw a line. From this point we'll draw a line where this point is called as third point. It is on B to C at the top face. Next go for CC1. C1 there is no cut, leave as it is. Then go for C to D or C1 to D1. C1 to D1 there is no cut, C1 to D1 no cut. Then go for C to D. C to D there is a cut, so we'll mark it as 4 and we'll write 4. Then go for D D1. D D1 there is a cut. Right, D1D there is a cut, so make it as 5. Right here 5. Then D1 to D or D D1. D1 to A or D1 to D to A. D1 to A1, D to A. There is no cut, leave as it is. 5 numbers we got. And next procedure, you have to develop this, you have to open this. Right, one side 40 millimeter, one side 40 mm, and total you will get, total distance is 4 into 40, that is equal to 160 millimeter. You have to take the distance and divide it by 40 mm. One block is 40 mm. So this distance total 160, because one side is 40 mm. So 40 into number of sides, 40 into 4, 160. Each block is having 40 mm. Each side is 40 millimeter. So this is how we have to divide, and then mark this is A1, B1, C1, D1, capital letters. Back to A1, don't write E1. A, B, C, D, A. No dash, nothing. Right. Now after making this, wherever cuts AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, if any cuts are there on AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, directly draw horizontal lines where we'll get, it is on AA1, directly we'll get first point here on AA1. No need to draw, it is on XY line. So I've taken first point here and here. Next we'll go for second point. Second point is on BB1. We'll draw line, horizontal line from this. Till D. Here we'll get on BB1 second point. Right, this is the second point. Next BB1 is over. Then B to C. B to C third point is there, C to D fourth point is there, and come back to D, D1 fifth point is there. So here we will get fifth point. Wherever it cuts on AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, we have to draw horizontal lines to get those points in this development. This is the development part. And then we'll divide this. So this third cut is from B to C, right? We'll take distance from B to C. This distance you have to take from your divider B to C and keep at B point, cut it. So here we'll get third point, and then C to D there is a cut. Now keep at C point in the top view, take a distance of fourth point, right? Now keep at C point, cut down C to D, where you will get fourth point. Now you got all 5 points. Now what you have to do? Make a development. Join one by one. From first point I am joining to fifth point. Next from fifth point to fourth point. Right. Next from fourth point to third point. With the dark line I am drawing. Next third to second point. Next from second to first point back. Next from A1 to back A. And in this development, the edges which comes under the development, make it dark. Wherever it cuts, till that you have to make it dark. Cut is there till 5. Right. This is the development of this cut section, which is inclined at an angle of 60 degree on the axis at a distance of 15 mm from top face. This cut section, when you open this, will get this development. This is called as developed part. So this part is removed from this prism. Thank you.